Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix error installing or updating new Microsoft Edge. Copy URL link from description and paste it. Select stable current and supported. Select latest build. Find your platform type. Open File Explorer. Right-click this PC, Properties. My system type is 64-bit operating system. Click Download. Click Accept and download. Open downloaded file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.